Year after year, when you needed us, we were there. That will never change. Even during tough and uncertain times, Jaguar Land Rover Freeport is here for you with courtesy pickup and delivery for your vehicle service. All of our Jaguar Land Rover Freeport team members wear both gloves and masks throughout the entire service process, which includes seat covers, steering wheel cover, and protective floor mats. We also disinfect your vehicle when it arrives and departs from our dealership. At Jaguar Land Rover Freeport, your safety is our #1 concern. To schedule a pickup time for your maintenance, call 516-771-6600 or visit LandRoverFreeport.com or JaguarFreeport.com and click on the Schedule Service button. Treating you like family has made us #1. We at Jaguar Land Rover Freeport are your family, just a short drive away, right off the Meadowbrook Parkway.